Hello everyone! So today, naiiyan na kami going to Singapore and it's my first time riding Scoot. Sobrang ganda nitong plane na to. Pero anyway, fast forward, nandito na kami sa Singapore. It's so amazing! Nandito na ulit. And first time ko actually to enjoy this place kasi noong una may mga kasama nga akong oldies. Ayan, enjoy lang ako. Tingin-tingin sa airport. Mabilis lang yung immigration. From my previous video, I mentioned you have to download the My ICA app so that you can have smooth entrance to Singapore. So ayan, first order of business is to go to Samsung. Pero pagdating namin sa Terminal 2, wala naman daw pala. So, ayun. Naghanap na lang ako ng next Samsung Experience Store. And nagkamali pa nga ako kasi dito ako sa arrival naghintay ng Grab. Pero dapat nga pala sa baba kasi yung mga kumukuha ng Grab is sa baba. Guys, so nandito na kami sa Singapore. Ang first advice ko sa inyo is use your Grab app. Kasi the first time na pumunta kami dito, naloko kami ng 3K going to our hotel. Pero na yun 1K lang. 1K pesos lang. If you use the Grab app, kasi mas precise at saka hindi maloloko yung mga taxi drivers sa Grab. So, it works naman dito sa Singapore. Just use Grab. We're on our way to Bugis Junction. I think it's the name of the mall. And yeah, nakadating ako sa Samsung. Ito lang talaga pinunta ko dito. So, of course, ito yung una kong pupuntahan, which is the Samsung Ring. Kasi nga, yung watch kasi, yung Apple Watch and also yung Samsung Watch, doesn't work in my left hand kasi nga, puro ako tattoos. So, hindi siya gumagana. Minsan gumagana, tas minsan hindi. So, I'd prefer to use yung Samsung Ring na lang. And mukha lang akong chill dyan, pero sa totoo lang, sobrang excited ko. Para buksan na ni Kuya yung box. And ayan nga, kunwari lang chill. Pero ayan na, so happy. Tapos ayan yung Samsung Ring. Yung case niya, sobrang ganda din. Para siyang jewelry. The first time seeing it talaga, I was amazed. Kasi nga hindi siya binibenta dito sa Philippines eh. So, I'm not sure, or baka excited lang talaga ako. Also, I know some of you might say it's better to just purchase it from Shopee, yung mga murang rings, health rings. Pero kasi, alam niyo naman minsan lang siya gagana, tapos mamaya hindi na gagana. So, kaya, pinunta ko talaga yung Samsung Ring dito sa Singapore. Actually, they also sell it in Hong Kong. The last time we've been to Hong Kong, trinay din namin bumili doon. Pero yun nga, pre-order siya. So, hindi naman kami babalik just for it. And ang laki ng ampaw. Ongpin? Yung ano ni Kuya. Tinan niyo yung nasa bracelet niya. Yung dragon. Ano ba yan? Chinese ako. Pero nakakalimutan ko lagi yung pangalan dyan. Anong alit yan? Yung parang basta yung dragon. Tapos tinan mo pati yung money ring niya. Ang laki din. Anyway, distracted na naman ako. Ayan, so nag-prepare na siya sa phone ko. And, sobrang bilis lang niya to pair. And also, very seamless lang din. Parang when you're pairing your Apple Watch to your phone as well. To your iPhone as well. So, ganun lang siya kabilis. Although, mas mabilis to kasi, yun nga, feeling ko naman kasi konti lang yung features din ng Samsung Ring. Like, your oxygen, yung mga everything for health lang. Yung steps mo, your sleep, and so forth. But again, this is not sponsored. I'm just really excited to purchase this. And this is the only reason I came here. So, ayun, alam ko sinabi. Ay, lakad talaga ng yung dragon sa bracelet ni Kuya. Pero anyway, ayan. So, ayan, picture-picture lang ako. Wala na akong masabi. So, sobrang excited ko lang dyan pairing this with my Fold 6. Ayun, so we're all set. Thank you so much. So, yun lang yung video na to. Yun lang yung itinerary namin for today. And thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for Singapore Day 2 to 4. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!